Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to prep your physical to Brumese. First thing first, you need the water, you need your conditioner, you need your serum, you need your emus, you need lala, and you need your spray bottle container. So the first thing first you need to do is to apply water on your PC coil. Make sure you apply it very well and it's well soaked. I actually did that off camera to make it faster. So I've already applied water. So the next thing you need to detangle. Make sure you apply water so that you can detangle very well and it will be very smooth. So it has to be very, very smooth before you apply your treatment for the prepping to your Brumese. So this is exactly what I'm trying to detangle very. You can see how I'm combing it out to make sure it's properly detangled. Then the next thing now is to mix your treatment into your bottle container. Me, I always like using this container because I actually use everything here to prep my PC coil to Burmese. Yes, you need to be generous with your treatment. If you are not generous, my sister, I'm sorry, you can't achieve anything. So, in a place of color, if you don't have color, you can use a leave-in conditioner. Yeah, then water, then other can go. Make sure your leave-in conditioner is already diluted already. So this is just me putting all the treatment I listed above. You can start anyone first. Put your S serum. I did some of them off camera, but those are the treatments you need to apply. Then next thing you have to now start spraying it on your hair. I actually did this off camera. If you're not patient enough, you can use that other container too. You can just pour it inside and make sure it's well soaked. You spray it until it's very soaked and it's even dripping off the treatment on the floor. So because it's inside my house, I didn't do enough here, but I make sure that I've already applied the treatment on the hair before detangling again. Yes. So you need to use your brush to detangle. The brush you should be used to detangle here, it has to be the normal brush you use to brush your weave on. That is the brush you should use. Then after that, you define your coils. They call this Instagram brush. That is what I got to find out is Instagram brush. You use it to define your coils. When you are defining your coils, you see the way I am dragging it and making sure it's giving me that Burmese look. So you pull down thoroughly and you use your hand to pop the coils up. That is how you prep your PC coil to Burmese. So you repeat it till like two times round. Then after that, you will now cover it up with a net. So after that part, you still have to apply your hair mousse on it, as you can see. Then you apply your serum on it as well. Yes, apply a little bit of serum for shine on it. Then after that, I use my argan oil, apply it on it. Then after that, you can now put on, I think, yeah, you still need to still comb out again. Some people don't comb out, but I still comb it out here. I prefer to still comb out just there so that the treatment you applied on it will also penetrate on it. So I'm still defining my coils for the last time. Sorry about that. My dummy was just disgracing his enemy here. So I kept prepping the coils until it gets to that. You see, the more you comb, the more you're achieving that desired Brumese coils that you can actually rock. So nobody will know if you are wearing a PC coil unless you tell them that it's a PC coil. So you can see me still prepping it. It's just all round of all comedy. When you're done, you get your net and comb it. Make sure the net that you're using is actually very firm so that it can add to the Burmese tips. Yep. There was that unique that look. So in this stage, you leave it for 2 days. After 2 days, this is after 2 days before you take off the coils. You can leave it for 24 hours. Please don't put it in the sun. Make sure it air dries. Please let it air dries very well. If it's only you can only achieve Burmese coils if it's an original PC coil. My darlings, if it's not original, forget it. You can't achieve nothing. So I hope this tutorial helps. I hope you can be able to do it yourself. See you next time in my next tutorial. Have a lovely day and a lovely night. See you in my next tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Please share my video. Bye.